Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hasan and today we are going to create video for product using AI in flexclip. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and we are using flexclip and then we are going to create video. On left side you see AI tool, so click on it. So we are in video section and then you see AI product URL to video, so click on it. So we have no product URL, so we are going to do this manually. Now you see upload manually, so click on it. So you can add product name, product description, and then you can add product media. So you can upload more than one file in product media section. So now we are going to add information. So we added product name, product description, and then you see product media, so click on it. So we added image. If you want, you can add more image, multiple image, and then click on next. Now generating. So we are in setting and then you see ratio. So we select this ratio. Now you see voice setting, language English. So you can select multiple language. Now you see, so it's up to you. And then you see voice style. So you can select female, male, voice, and then you see voice style, general, chat, assistant, customer service. So you have multiple option. And then you see speed 1, pitch 1. If you want, you can enable subtitle. Now you see, so it's up to you. And then select layout and then click on generate. Now generating. Now video is created and generated from product description text, product title text, and image. So this is a subtitle text, this is audio, this is image. So we have or added one image, so you can add more than one image. And then you see music. If you want, you can delete it, so it's up to you. If you want, you can edit subtitle. Now you see, and then we are going to download it. If you want, you can do some setting. Now you see text style, font, export, video, resolution, frame rate, quality, and then click on export. Now rendering. Now rendering almost done. Now you see video download done. Video created using product text, product description, and image. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.